factor in the real estate market. Is that the only factor right now? What's happening because of COVID? How are you reacting to the market? And how are you able to serve your clients through all of this? Or are you?
We are, and we've been very, very fortunate, actually. You know, I wouldn't call it a celebration, but we're certainly coming up on 1 year of living in the world of COVID.
Yes, sir.
And we have been able to help our buyers and sellers achieve their dreams during this period of time because the real estate community was deemed an essential business. And we've taken it very, very seriously, with all the precautions that are needed as far as gloves, masks, booties, protecting someone's home, that when someone is coming in, we have documentation that buyers and sellers need to sign stating that, they've been tested or they don't have any problems with COVID, haven't been near someone with COVID, and taking precautions between showings of people of homes so that the buyer is protected and the seller's home is protected. So all of that is in place, and we've had a good year now to make sure that we're doing everything correctly to protect everyone so that they can go achieve their dream of buying a new home or selling and maybe buying another home.
Absolutely. It sounds like you have the precautions taken care of.